Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be making a pen dragonfly on scratch. So here I have an empty sprite and the pen extension. So first let's take the green flag option and let's go to the pen and take the pen up, and then let's change the color to the green color. It's going to be the body color, and you need to make a sprite. You have to paint a sprite and just going to make a small circle. So this is where the dragonfly is going to be positioned. So you have to make two variables. Delete this one and make a variable called x and y, and when the green flag is clicked, forever set x, and so we have to set the x to x position and the y to y position. Okay, now we go here and let's take the go-to position, the go-to, and take those two variables, x the x and y the y, and after that let's set the pen size to 25, which is going to be the size of the head, and then the pen should be down and then the same color, and then let's set the pen size to 15. Now we okay, so we get the head, and now let's make the body. So we have to set the pen size to 15, and then we need to turn 90 degrees so it's pointing straight down, 90, and then let's add the pen down, and then it should move, let's here, move 30 steps, I think. Okay, now we get that part. Now let's make the tail. So we'll have to set the pen color to a black color, the tail, and let's set the pen size to something like 5. Go down, okay, and then let's add the pen down again, and then let's move it something like 70, I guess. Okay, that's because it's pointing in a different direction. Just no need to worry about that. And let's also just take another green flag option and then just add an erase all, so it just erase all at the beginning. I think I'll keep it here. Yeah, okay, that looks better. And you just spin every time you press the green flag option. We'll control the direction later. So now I'm just going to add a small orange part here. So scroll down and let's add a set pen color to something like orange. I think that is a good color, something like this. And then we set the pen size same to we set the pen size to 5, and then pen down again, and then let's move just 5 steps I don't want it to be too long. Then we get the small orange part right there. And now let's make the now let's add the wings. So now let's make this entire thing into a block. So just go to my blocks and let's make a block, and this can be body, and take the run without screen refresh and just put the entire thing here. I just no need to put this erase all, just delete the erase all and just put the entire thing there. Now let's take a green flag option and then put the forever block there, and then let's just add the body here, and the erase all there, and it will spin. No, let's just control the direction of this thing later. Okay, so now let's make the wings. So I'll just make some space, so let's make it here. Okay, so now let's add a pen up. Let's add a pin up. Also, let me just add the green flag option. Well, let me make a new block. Make a new block. Wings. And now put that wings right there. And this should have the run without screen refresh. And then it should go to the center right here. So just need to take this. Let's duplicate it from here. So first it should go to this position, where it will just start from here, and then let's turn it 90 degrees. Okay, this way 90 degrees, and then let's move it 20 steps, which means it will be right here in the middle of the body, right here. And then let's turn it the other way. Let's turn it 77 degrees, which is towards here, I think. So we can draw wing towards here, like this. And then let's add the pen down, and then let's take the set pen size to whatever you want. I think I will go for 10 or 5. I think 10 will look good. 20, I guess. And I think I'll set the pen color to a bluish color like this. And now let's move it 70 towards there. And since we are making the wings flap, I'm gonna make a new variable called wings, and let's add this. Let's add 77 by, not 77, 70 by wings. And then let's set the pen, let's make the pen up, and then it should again go to the center to draw the next pair of wings, next wings. Let's make it go back here. uh, we need to, let's take this entire thing down. Let's take this and put it here. Just need to duplicate it from here and put it here. And then let's change this 77 and let's change this to 270. So we'll draw the next pair of wings. And then let's set the pen down again, which is right here. Okay, I'll just duplicate it and delete that part. And let's just put it down here. And then let's duplicate this part, the move, and put it right there. And then turn 77, not that direction, the other way, I think. Turn it by 77. And then let's make the pen up. And then let's duplicate this one more time, only this part, and move it down there. And then this time we'll make this into negative 77 and this into 160, I think. No, I think it should be 180. Control Z. 180. Okay. And now let's set the pen down. And then okay, and then let's set the pen size by 20. Okay, right here. Let's take this. Okay, let's put this one here. Then let's take this one and put this one down there. And delete that 77. Let's put the pen up here, then add the 77 right there. And then let's duplicate this part one more time. Put this down there. I think I need this block also. Go to XY and put this right before that. And then this should be 180 and this can be negative 280. And then let's set the pen down and then set the pen size so to 20. This one. Set the pen size to 20. And then let's move. Wait. Need this one. Look at the comment. Take this, move 70 and put it down there. And last we need to turn. Okay, this is what we get. We need to turn this by 77 and 90 so that the direction will be right. It'll be right. And now let's add this block right here after the body. So go to my blocks and add the wing right under that, and we get this spinning thing. Okay, so we need to set the direction to 190, and a small problem here. I think I don't even need this. I'll make this 0, and yeah, then it should be good. And you can change this into a slider, and yeah, and then we are just going to make it like this. We'll make the wings go up to 20 and then come back, which will give it an effect like it's flapping. And change this back to a normal thing. And I'll hide the other variables. Okay, so now to control the direction, just add uh, another circle, and then go back to this sprite, and then let's point towards this thing, this circle, or I should say oval. Point towards sprite 3. Now let's see. Okay, still not that good. Should I change this? I think I should change 90. Okay, so you can control the direction like this. You just control it by rotating this thing. I think this is useless. Just delete that. Make this back to 90. And now let's make the wings flap. So now let's take a green flag option and a forever block. And take a repeat block. And let's change this to 20. Duplicate this one more time and just put it down there. Now let's set the wings to 0 first, and then change the wings by 1, and then change it by -1. Then it will come. Then it will become 20, and then come back to 0, which will give the effect like this. I think I'll make it a little bit more faster. So let's make it 10 here and 10 here. And then make this into 2 and -2. Then if you press it, it will play more faster. Then I need it a bit more faster. I'll make this 5. Then make this also into 5 and -5. Yeah, I think that's good. Okay. And if let's make the sprite just move around. So I wanted to move like this. I wanted to move like this zigzag kind of way, like this. So let's move by the sign of okay, let's make a new variable. POS stands for position. Just put that there, and set post to 0, and change post by 1 in a forever block. Add a new green flag option right there, and then if you start, you can see that the small dot is moving around. And now let's make it go up and down. How much is this going? Okay, we need to make it go a little bit more. It's just going from here, there. So I want to make it go a little bit more. So let's take the multiply block and multiply this twice. and then let's put this at the center. 0, 0. But I think I need to instead of adding a move, I should add a change x by this much. Then it should work perfectly. Not that much at the edge. I change this to 1. Okay, that spoils the wings. Oh wait, I should not add change to add a set. Or we can just add a go to. Let's set the y for 0 right now. 0. Now it does nothing. If I change to 5, okay, it moves slightly. What if I change to 50? Okay, moves much more. Okay, and that's it. If you like this video, please subscribe and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching.